Oh no. Hi, I'm Chris. Welcome to King Bespoke Creations. Real quick video. I'm making another child stool for a nursery. Check out the link in the description for the full build on that one, upcycling tables. But I thought I'd quickly show you how to do an oval shape leg. Really quick, just using a hand plane. So first of all, I just found a thin piece of scrap, drew an oval out that fits diagonally across a square stock. So this is just 2x2 and it fits inside that space. Cut that out in the bandsaw, sand it off so it's relatively smooth, and then use it as a rough guide to make sure you're getting the same size all the way through. Draw around it on both ends, making sure that they're the same way on, so it's not that way on one and that way on the other. So hold it there, spin it round in a straight line, and then make sure it fits again. After that, it's just a matter of sticking it in the vise. I go diagonally and do the sharp end points first because they're the easiest ones to do. So we just stick it in. Don't worry about crushing the edges because you're going to get rid of those anyway. I'm just taking a stock number 4 plane. We can just take that down until you're coming up to your line on there and on that side, and obviously that just gives us a perfectly flat space. But then really easy, you just start from there and roll it over. With each stroke you're just going further and further round until you pretty much reach that flat side again, and there's one corner done. Repeat on the opposite side.
Reaches on both bits. So again, round it over. Excellent.
And now for the fat bits. So now this should have a little bit more grip in here because we've rounded off these edges. It should fit in the vise a little bit better. Now I'm going to use a scrub plane because there's a bit more meat to get rid of here. I'm going to use this thick set scrub plane. If you don't have a scrub plane, just put your normal plane onto a much thicker setting and then you can take off big chunks and it's just quicker. Ow! Mind you don't bash your fingers on the end of there because it knacks. Not bad. Pretty much there. A couple more. Just for good luck. And then we can do the same thing. So I'm going back to my normal plane with a decent setting again, not quite as thick. And again, just starting on that angle and rolling it over all the way through. Okay. So not too bad, not perfect yet, but it's getting there. Same again on the opposite side. Just be careful when you've got a knot on the end because sometimes you can have big chunks chip off. I don't mind at this point because that top half needs to be recessed to go into the lid for the stool anyway. Right, well that's got us close. So if we look down the end, it's not perfect, it's still slightly flat in different places. So all you're going to do now is pick out those pointy areas like that bit, put that in the clamp so that's at the top, and the wonderful thing is now it'll pretty much clamp at any angle, and then round that point over. And we should pretty much end up, once we've done that, with a pretty round section all the way through, once we've got rid of all those points. And a quick buffing with a sandpaper, and we end up with it like that. Quick and simple, rounded over legs. Have a go. So there we go. Like I said, super quick and simple. And now you can have oval shaped legs, or you could do round legs with the same technique just by using a hand plane. Check out these other videos, make sure you click like and subscribe for me, and then you can catch all the rest of the tips and tricks and guitar stuff and furniture and everything else we do on this channel, all coming up soon. Sharpen your tools, and we'll see you later. God bless.